Hey everyone, we are going to practice writing equations of parabolas. What you see below is a graph of a parabola, which is a quadratic equation, and your job is to write the equation for that parabola. So to do that, you're probably going to want to use vertex form. It's the easiest, and you only have to find three things: the value of a, the value of h, and the value of k. Now, h and k are your vertex. And your vertex is going to either be the lowest point of your parabola or the highest point of your parabola. We have a low point right here at the ordered pair 2, -3. That is your vertex. H is your x value of your vertex, so h is 2. K is the y value of your vertex, so k is -3. So we already have h and k, and now we just need to figure out what is the value of a. To do that, you're going to want to choose any other point on your parabola. So looking along this curve, you want to pick a point that's going to be easy to work with. So generally, I would recommend choosing a point that falls on the x-axis or the y-axis. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Right here is a point, and I'm just going to label it as point P, and I can go ahead and make a note of that over here. I'm going to use point, and then we're going to write down its coordinates. The x value at point P is 0, and the y value is 1. So again, this is an x value, and this is a y value. Now what you're going to do is take all four numbers and plug them into the equation. If we plug in a value for y, x, h, and k, the only thing missing is a, and that allows us to solve for a. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, I'm going to rewrite the equation. Y equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. So I want you to take each one of these numbers and plug them in for their respective variables. So y is 1 from the point we chose. We do not know what a is, but that's okay. That's what we're solving for. X is 0, again, from the point we chose. And then h is 2, so we have minus 2 quantity squared. And then k is -3, so minus 3. Now it's simply a matter of solving for a. So we are going to simplify our parentheses. 0 minus 2 is -2 quantity squared, and then we have minus 3. All right, now we can square. -2 squared is 4, so this becomes 4a. And then we have minus 3. Now we're going to solve for a by adding 3 to both sides. We get 4 equals 4a, and then divide by 4, a is equal to 1. So now you have your h value, your k value, and your a value. And we're going to take all three of those, and we are going to write our final equation of this parabola. Now, when you write your final equation, you are not going to plug in a number for x and y. We only did that here so we could solve for a. So your final equation is y equals 1, there's our a value, times x minus 2 quantity squared minus 3. And that is the equation of our parabola. Check back later for another example.